Law of conservation of energy in a simple pendulum. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but can change from one form to another. Let us understand this with the help of an illustration. Shown here is a simple pendulum. Let B be its mean position. Now allow the pendulum to oscillate. When the pendulum moves to the position C, it gains height. Thus, at position C, it has maximum potential energy. When it is at C, it is stationary for a fraction of a second and hence possesses zero kinetic energy. When the pendulum moves towards position B, its velocity increases. Due to increase in velocity, its kinetic energy increases. That is, potential energy gets converted to kinetic energy. At position B, it has maximum kinetic energy and minimum potential energy as it is at its lowest position. When the pendulum swings from B to A, it again gains height and hence its potential energy increases. However, due to the gain in height, its velocity decreases. At A, it has maximum potential energy and zero kinetic energy. That is, potential energy changes to kinetic energy and vice versa. Or, in other words, sum total of potential energy and kinetic energy is a constant. Thus, the energy is conserved.